Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Smart Education Tech. I hope all is well with you. So the to the top, let's start the video. Have you ever wondered how mobile apps, website, and even big business software are created? Many of them run on Java. Java is one of the most widely used programming language in the world. But what makes Java so popular? Why do so many companies and developers use it? In this video, I will explain Java is a simple term even if you are a complete beginner. So let's get started. So the first question is what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented and a platform-independent programming language. It was created by James Gosling in 1995 at Sun Microsystem and now owned by Oracle Corporation. Java is used for building websites, mobile apps, desktops, applications, games, and even large enterprise software. The key features of Java: simple and easy to learn. Java has a clean syntax. Java independent platform. Java code run on any operating system. Secure and reliable. Java is designed with security in mind. Multi-threading. Java can multiple tasks at a time. Robust. Java handle error efficiently. Because of these features, Java is one of the most powerful and flexible programming language in the world. How Java works. Java doesn't run directly on a computer like others programming language. Instead, it follows a process of to ensure that the same code work on any device. Here how Java works. Write Java code. Write Java code. Save as a .java file. Compile code. The Java compiler convert into bytecode is called as a .class file. Run on JVM, Java Virtual Machine. The JVM execute the bytecode on any operating system. This is why Java different from language like a C and C++, which depends on a specific operating system. Let me show you simple Java program. This code print hello world on the screen. This the best part of you can run this code on Windows, Mac, Linux, or even mobile devices. Why is Java platform independent? One of the biggest reasons Java is so popular is its platform independence. This means that once you write Java code, it can run on any device that has a JVM virtual machine. Imagine you have a universal charger that works with mobile phone. That's exactly how Java works. The Java compiler translates code into bytecode. It can run on any operating system using the JVM. This feature is known as a write once, run anywhere. It's called Vora. It makes Java a great choice for developing software that works on different devices. So the next question arrived is where is Java used? Java is used in most every industry. Here are some examples. Android apps. Most Android applications are built using Java. Web application, website like Amazon, LinkedIn, and Netflix use Java to handle millions of users. Banking and finance. Java is widely used in a banking application because of its security features. Big data and AI. Java is used in a data processing and artificial intelligence application. Uh, the next features is a game development. Popular games like Minecraft were created using Java. Whether you are browsing a website, making an online payment, or playing a mobile game, Java is working behind the scenes. The next question arrives: why learn Java? Now that you are that you understand what Java is, you might be wondering, why should you learn it? Easy to learn, Java has a simple and readable syntax, making it beginner friendly. High demand. Many companies hire Java developer for software development. Good salary, Java developer earn high salary worldwide. Strong community. Billions of developers use Java and there are many online resources to help you to learn. Java is great choice whether you want to build mobile apps, website, or even complex business application. I hope this video helps you understand what Java is and why it's popular. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. For more Java tutorial, leave a comment below and let me know what topic you want to cover next.